Hello everyone. So the next question we are going to solve is count and say. We are going to solve the above questions also, but my mood now is saying to solve count and say. So okay, let's move to it. It's loading. Oh, it is not a good question. Still, we are going to solve it. The count and say sequence is a sequence of digit strings defined by the recursive formula. Okay, count and say of 1. Count and say of 1 equals 1. For n, it is the way you would say the digit string from count and say n minus 1, which is then converted into a different digit string. Okay, to determine how you say a digit string, split it into the multiple number of groups, all of the same character. Then for each group, say the number of the characters, then say the character. To convert the saying into a digit string, replace the counts with a number and concatenate every saying. For example, the saying and conversion. Okay, let's see the example. I'm a bit confused while going through description. Okay, so two threes, three twos, 1 5 and 1 1. Okay. Oh, so two threes, three twos, 1 5 and 1 1. Oh yeah, that's simple. Given a positive integer, return the nth term of count and say sequence. Okay. Okay, if n is equal to 4, output will okay. Oh, so set of 2 is say 1 is equal to 1 1. Okay, say 1 1 is equal to 2 1s. If I say 1 1, count say 3 equals count say 2, which is say 2 2. So it is say 1 1, which is equal to, okay, it is recursively defined and till n is equal to 30. Okay, then no problem. We are gonna at first save it and then use it. Okay, let's create an array. So for initially array is 1 and count and say 2 is equal to count of say 1. So count of say 2 equals count of say 1, and 1 saying 1 1 is 1 1. Okay, and we have to return the string. Okay, no problem. Say 1 1. Good. Now if we are gonna say count say 3, that means say 1 1 means 2 1. Okay, so for I in range, for I in range 3 to 30, or let's say n plus 1, array of array dot append. Okay, so what we will do for I in array of -1. Okay, initially count is 0. We're gonna count each number, each digit every time. Okay, initially count is 0. So for I in array of -1, if count equals 0 or else we can do this like count is equal to 1. So if for I in range length of array minus 1, we can do this too, length of array minus 1, and we can start it from 1. So if array of, not array, if I, okay, if array of I is equal to array of I minus 1, then count plus equal to 1. Okay, else count equal to 0, else count equal to 0, and we will have our result string. The result string is this. So at any point, if array of I is not equal to array of I minus 1, then what we will do, we have made our count is equal to 1. Okay, the next thing we will do, we will append res dot append, okay, res plus equal to array of I, okay, array of I, not array of I minus 1, and count plus str of count. We'll take the str of count. Yeah, here we are going to count all the array of I minus 1. Okay, okay, it's done. Now, and every time count will become 1. So what if we reach the end? So if array of, let's see, if array of, if we already have reached the end, so either we have the count, okay, yeah. So if I is equal to array of minus 1, what would we say? Yeah, array of minus 1. This is wrong. 1 comma length of array for I in range, 1 comma length of, 1 second, 1 comma length of array minus 1. Yeah, this will work fine. If I is equal to array of I minus 1, sorry, length. If we reach the end, then what we have to do? Then simply we will append res plus equal to, we will do same thing. Okay, but either we reach the end or in the middle. Okay. And we are not going to do it with array of I minus 1. Instead, we are going to do it with array of I. Yeah, array of I. Okay, cool. It's done. And every time I'm going to append res. So return array of minus 1. This will be our answer. Let's see. Okay, f minus 1. Yeah. So instead of using array of n minus 1, I can simply say array of n minus 1. It will work. Let's do it for 30 directly. Okay, I have attempted too soon. No problem. List index out of range. For I in range 1 comma length of, okay. So length increased, shouldn't be like this. Yeah, it should be like array of -1 of I. Okay, array of -1 of I. This is the problem. And same with other places. Okay, it's done. Array of -1 of I. Okay, and we are a count. Okay, yeah. So expected is this, and I'm giving only 1 1 1 2 1. Okay, let's check it for 4. I must be mistaking something big. So for 4 it is, yeah, for 4 it is working fine. What's about 5? Yeah, for 5 it is also working fine. For 6, so I'm returning array of n minus 1. Yeah, here's the difference. So what was the answer for 5? Let's keep track of it. Then we will check where did we wrong, where it happened, where there's something wrong have happened. Okay, this is the answer for 5. Okay, let's write n is equal to 5. Then the answer is this. Okay. Then for 6. Okay, again output is same. Why? It should have been updated. 111 to, okay, yeah, it is updated. 111 means 3 ones. Okay, then only 2 is there. 3 ones. So 1 twos. 3 ones. Okay, 2 twos and 1 1. Yeah. What am I doing here? For I in 1 comma length of R, array of -1 of I. If that is equal to array of -1 of I minus 1, then I am increasing count. Okay, here I am increasing count increased till here. Okay, let's print. Okay, let's print it. Yeah, print I comma what I comma. Okay, I'm using, this is the problem. Here I'm using I, here I'm using again I. Yeah, this must be the problem. Let's see. You know, it's again not working fine. 111 to 11. So this is J. Here I'm taking for I in range. Okay, so let's again print I and I and array of array of -1. Okay, array of -1 of I. Yeah, that might work. What we will get? 1 1 2. What? 1 second. Okay, so I have to do one more thing. If j is equal to n, if j is equal to n, only do this thing. N or n plus 1, n. Okay. Only then print I and rf. Okay. So this is 1 1 2 2 1. For n is equal to 5. 111 2 2 1 should be there. Okay, yeah, 111 2 2 1 is there. That's why it left the first one. So if we have array of -1 of I, and if both are same, I increase the count, else count is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. So I'm increasing the count, and before updating it, I have, that's the problem. Okay, 1 second. Man, control Y. Who could have thought that? Like, uh, I'm I'm doing really silly mistake. Like, if we already know that it is like this, and we are updating our address, we should decrease the count after appending it now. So here now I am decreasing the count after appending it, and it started working. Okay, cool. Now let's check it on 30. Then we will run it. Okay. Accepted error, index indentation error. Okay. Yeah, remove it. Okay, now submit. It should be easy question, like it took 15 minutes, but it 16 minutes, but it should be easy. Okay guys, thanks. Subscribe for more questions. We will meet soon.